future. So I'm very happy because right now we're talking about the case, the origin of the culture by a foreign culture. So, what do you think when you heard first time about the culture?
Traditional.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, good. Actually, there are cultures, but do you know the real definition about the culture it is?
No.
So here I am talking to you about this. Okay, here's a table of content. First, we will talk about the definition, and of course, we're talking about the positive impacts and negative impacts, and the case of negative impacts, and the perceived version of the local culture, and then the conclusion. Next. Okay, culture is really characteristic to our country. A country for now is a rich culture, but nowadays our culture is being eroded as time goes by. And what is culture it is? Culture is a heritage that is passed down from generation to generation. The local culture or region or country has its own characteristic and become the main identifier of the people who inhabit it. And what about the culture shift? Culture shift is a concept of anthropology or sociology that refers to means the change of the value, norms, and habits in the people who inhabit it. And this concept involves several concepts such as internalization, socialization, enculturation, diffusion, cultural evolution, assimilation, acculturation, innovation. And then culture shift can occur due to several factors such as urbanization, globalization, and technological development. Of course, culture shift has a positive and negative impacts. And this, we're talking first about a positive impact. This is increased variety of product and lifestyle. Increased variety product and lifestyle can also provide new opportunity to inspire to people industry player to develop their business and create a job. For example, right now, our younger generation interested to Japanese culture and Korean culture. Of course, it has led sales reality product. And then, like the sales related products such as costume cosplayers, anime merchandise, K-pop merchandise, K-pop, Korean food, and Japanese food. And the second is a version of a local culture. People will become more aware and appreciative of their own culture, and they feel they need to maintain the culture, and they feel they need to introduce the culture to people from outside. Okay, and here's the negative effect. First, replacement of local value and traditional. Replacement of local value and traditional. As a foreign culture continue to enter and dominate to our country, the local value and tradition can be replaced and forgotten. Of course, because our people right now interested in foreign culture than our own culture, and that's why they leave the traditions and local value of their own culture. And the second, lowering the sense of nationalism. With the influence of the foreign culture, it is possible that we may come to love foreign culture than our own. And of course, it is the increased sense of nationalism. Third, increased individualism. People will become individualistic by imitating people from outside. And of course, they abandoning suitable culture. Fourth, social and economic inequality. People who are unable to keep up with trends and fulfill lifestyle, the rift from foreign culture feels marginalized. And then five is effort by other countries to claim our local culture. Of course, if our people not interested to their own culture, it is possible that maybe our country. So that's why people must to love their own culture. And here are the cast of negative impact. First, crop top kebaya. I really sure you may know about this cast in its top maybe on Instagram. And this crop top kebaya. According to the one LKBS, the fellow Babeshan and Arifin Raswati gave a response regarding this class. She said, actually kebaya can be modified, but we still have to pay attention to the style. However, there is a modern Korean style crop top kebaya, and of course it fails of the standard. And nothing else explained that modern or modified kebaya still doesn't want to change the style or size. And then she said, kebaya conform to the standard if this kebaya fits the body size. And for example, like kebaya kutu baru, you know? Yeah. The bottom part can be wider or wrinkled as long as the people who use it can fix the body size. And then second, ludruk. How do you know about this?
No.
Wait.
I neither.
Yeah, actually there is a real example of a negative impact, guys. You must know about this. So ludruk is a traditional performance from Java, which until 1918, ludruk was successful in East Java, and today is almost eroded and enriching suspended animation. And this performance is really almost to very little, like people very hard to see or meet this ludruk because it's really eroded. And then gotong royong, of course, it's Indonesian people, right? Gotong royong is today in our Indonesian people almost eroded. Individualistic and do not know about the others is the reflection that appears today. So that's why we must to know and we must to hold our identify very hard in our heart. Okay, and then we might be thinking how we can preservation of the local culture. First, increase public awareness. Increase public awareness of the importance of the preservation of the local culture shown by education, campaign, and cultural activity. The second, increase community participation. Community can actively joining our preservation in the local culture by joining our performance or traditional ceremonies. Third, educating the younger generation. Of course, the younger generation is very important to our country. And then that's why the younger generation also needs to an understanding about the importance of preservation of the local culture so that they can save their own culture. Okay, here's the conclusion. So the influence of a foreign culture on the development of Indonesian culture is complex and multidimensional phenomenon. Also, has a positive impact such as encouraging cultural diversity and encouraging creativity. Foreign culture influence can also have a negative impact, such as the erosion of local culture, value, and moral degradation. Effort to preserve local culture through education, revitalization of the tradition, cultural promotion, and encouragement of indigenous community are very important to maintain the identify Indonesian culture in the midst of globalization. So that even though we are in the era of globalization, we can still maintain our culture and preserve it well. Of course, we must have the strength to love our culture more than other cultures. Okay, little question time. Ready now first?
How do we appreciate the diverse culture that exists in Indonesia?
Appreciate that there are other culture in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Apresiasi
Culture.
in Indonesia.
Yes.
Maybe
Sampai.
ya, coba dulu ya. Jadi mungkin kita bisa mengapresiasinya mungkin tetap dengan memberikan apresiasi yang terbaik untuk a foreign culture of course, tapi kita juga harus bisa menjaga identitas kita sendiri. Kalau kita itu Indonesia, kita itu punya identitas sendiri. Contohnya misalkan seperti drama musikalnya orang Eropa, itu juga bagus sekali kan? Tapi kita juga punya look tadi.
Iya.
Jadi kita harus tetap apa ya, menebalkan jati diri kita di dalam diri kita. Karena kalau dari kita sendiri nggak ada, kosong. Gitu. Jadi tetap bisa mengapresiasi, tapi kita juga harus bisa meyakinkan diri kita kalau kita itu tetap memiliki culture sendiri. Begitu. Gimana Mas Zaya?
What is the meaning of assimilation?
Asimilasi. Jadi asimilasi adalah perpaduan atau bersatunya dua kebudayaan yang disertai dengan hilangnya satu kebudayaan yang tidak dominan. Di mana nanti kebudayaan ini akan menghasilkan kebudayaan yang baru. Begitu. Ini gimana?
What the meaning of moral degradation?
Moral degradation. Jadi moral degradation adalah penurunan nilai moral atau nilai tradisi kita yang ada di dalam masyarakat karena pengaruh dari budaya luar atau pengaruh dari kita sendiri yang tidak melek dengan tradisi dan juga budaya kita. Begitu. Ada yang lain mau ditanyakan?
How to introduce Indonesian culture with fashion dikit, like the case of the crop top kebaya, which is causing controversial. Jadi gimana caranya kita mengenalkan budaya Indonesia ini tanpa merubah budaya kita tersebut, kayak kebaya yang itu kan kita kan kayaknya kenalin, tapi kayaknya salah gitu dan menimbulkan kontroversi.
Jadi sebenarnya untuk mengenalkan budaya kita ke budaya luar itu banyak sekali caranya ada. Contohnya seperti ada yang di TikTok itu, tahu nggak? Yang pakai kebaya di London, tahu? Pakai kebaya di London itu kan semua orang lihat. Jadi sebenarnya kita nggak harus merubah identitas kita sendiri. Kita juga bisa berjalan di dalam identitas kita sendiri, tapi orang lain tetap memberikan attention mereka kepada kita. Contohnya seperti yang itu. Terus juga ada waktu itu kan yang bule, dia itu mungkin saking tertariknya dengan tari kecak atau tari Bali, jadi dia mau belajar dan mau stay di Bali, dan itu adalah hasil kita nggak perlu mengubah budaya kita, tapi tetap orang akan suka. Ini jadi saya mau satu sentence here. Wong Jawa aja mati ilang jawane. The meaning is wherever we going, wherever we stay, whenever it happens in our life.
Artinya apa?
Oh, yeah. Whenever we going, whenever we stay, whatever happen in our country, whatever happen in our life, we must to keep our identify. Maybe that's for me. Thank you very much, guys.